At Rick's Motorsport Electrics, we specialize in high-quality, cost-effective alternatives to original equipment charging and starting components. Our Hot Shot Series Rectifier Regulator, built for a range of the Polaris Sportsman Ace and RZR models, is an upgrade Shunt Style replacement for the OE part number 4013904. Rick's worked with RZR owners to customize an alternative that's easy to install and serves as a solution to common heating problems. It's got 70 amp circuitry, cooling Mosfet technology, and protected by a separate inline 50 amp water resistant fuse that protects the system's integrity. Like every part at Rick's Motorsport Electrics, this rectifier regulator comes with a 1-year replacement warranty. For more information or to order online, visit us at ricksmotorsportelectrics.com or give us a call at 800-521-0277.